Look at this beautiful little forest we're in. Native Hawaii. Mr. Bubs loves it. Such a good boy, walking, staying by my side. You hear that rumble? That's the lava. Ginger. Mr. Bubbies. Wow, we gotta go see this rumbling volcano, Bubs. And he's off. See it? There it is. Come on, Bubs. This way, buddy. Here he comes. Good boy. Oh, holy hole. Hear that? It's in its last hour. It's almost deflated already. Wow. Oops, the earth is leaking. Uh-oh, lava came out. Don't be crazy now, Bubs.
You don't look like you bounce very well.
So loud.